Alright, hey ladies and gentlemen, it's Jason Causeway coming back at ya. Got our Stanley Park behind us. We got our Stanley Park stainless steel straws with really nice canvas straw holders, and they also come with straw cleaners. Nice pipe, stainless steel pipe cleaner. And we got back here, we got a couple nice Stanley Park glasses with straws and straw cleaners. We've also got a giveaway here, Stanley Park glass with a leather wrapped Stanley Park bottle opener. So hit me up, let me know. That sign, there's no price tag you can put on that, so don't bother asking. I've had a couple people ask already. There's no price tag on that. Yeah, so back at it. Let's see if we turn that light down. Oh no, let's not turn that light down. Let's look at these for a moment now. Now these are what holds the cells in place, these battery cells that I'm buying. They go along with that green chip that I made in my previous video. So that green chip essentially controls the charge and discharge of the cell, because you don't want to charge it too fast, you don't want to overcharge it, and you do not want to discharge it too fast. Otherwise you will have overheating problems and you end up blowing your cells. Not fun, not cool, especially if you live in a hot climate and you don't have proper cooling system. I use basic 12-volt computer fans that run off, not even off my own cells. What they run off of is just standard 9-volt AA, AAA 9-volt rechargeable batteries that I've just got a small like laptop or cell phone charger for, that you can put on your backpack. And that's what powers my cooling fans. Something simple, easy, no maintenance to it. As long as you just keep the blades on the fans clean, keep the dust off of them, you'll have optimal airflow. That's the biggest thing that people don't do, is keep the blades on their fans clean. As soon as they start building up dust, you start getting resistance in the airflow, and your amperage in your motor goes up, causing your battery draw to increase. And it's a matter of just taking a toothbrush or an air gun and just hold the fan motor so you don't spin it, because you don't want to burn it out and send some power back into the system the wrong way. Hold it, just give her a good blow. Once in a while, take a paintbrush, just, for cutting into your corners and whatnot. Just get the long bristles. You hold the blades. You just turn on the fan, because you don't want a vacuum, because you don't want the dust getting in there. You just hold the vacuum. Have someone hold the vacuum close to it, and just brush off the blades and keep them nice and clean and cool. But yeah, so those are the cell holders. They're not the ones that I wanted, so please subscribe if you want them. By all means, they're yours. That's it for now, ladies and gentlemen. Subscribe to Jason Causeway's channel. We're going to be changing the name. It's just not suiting. It's not really where, it's not going where I wanted it to go. I started this out to be something fun and educational, and just using my generic name, it's just not the smartest idea. And I want to teach people things, and I also want people to teach me things. I don't know everything. That's why I ask questions, and that's why I do what I do. I do product control or product quality. Show you something that I like, dislike. Hey, send me videos of products do you like or dislike, or send me products of things that you would like to know about, and maybe I'll purchase a couple of them and we'll do a test, see what they're like. So anyway, this is Jason Causeway we'll catch up with you guys later. And yeah, again, shout out to Stanley Park. You guys are great. You always holding us together. And yeah, we'll catch you on the next video around here, which will just be in a few minutes. Thank you very much for watching. This is Jason Cosplay. See you next time.